Hey everybody, welcome back to the Steele Hyundai channel. My name is Zach, and today we're going to be looking at the new 2024 Santa Fe XRT. We're going to look at the interior, the exterior, and talk about some of the features. So with that being said, let's get started. Starting off under the hood of this XRT, you have a SmartStream 2.5 liter turbo, 16 valve inline 4-cylinder engine with an 8-speed automatic dual clutch transmission, giving you 277 horsepower and 311 pound-feet of torque. As for your fuel consumption per 100 kilometers, you're looking at 12.2 liters for the city, 9.1 for highway with a combined of 10.8 liters. With that being said, let's have a peek at the exterior. Starting off on the front end, you're going to have LED daytime running lights with premium projector LED headlights, an acoustically laminated windshield, and an XRT exclusive skid plates. Coming around to the side, you're going to have black outside mirror covers with LED turn signal indicators that are power adjustable, body colored door handles, rear privacy glass. You have beautiful 18-inch alloy wheels on these beefy all-terrain tires. And working our way to the back, LED tail lights on the end, hidden rear wiper blade underneath, more privacy glass. On the C pillar, you have a grab handle that helps you step onto the tire onto the roof for extra cargo. With that being said, let's take a look at the interior. Starting off with the driver's side door, you have your window controls with front auto up and down and pinch protection, power adjustable mirror controls, nice trim on the door handle there. Looking at the seats, you have nice leatherette seating surfaces, 8-way power adjustable driver's seat and passenger seat with 3 levels of heating. The steering wheel is also leather wrapped with a heated and mounted with audio, cruise, and phone controls. You have a 12.3-inch display for your instrument cluster. Stepping inside, you have your push to start with another 12.3-inch touchscreen display for your navigation, media, and other important settings. Dual front USB outlets, dual zone automatic temperature control with automatic window defog system, multiple terrain control modes, and you get a sunroof. Now, the Santa Fe for the 2024 model, they have 3 rows of seating. Let's have a look at the storage that you get with that. So here we are in the back of the Santa Fe. You can see the entire back of it opens up on a huge liftgate. Stepping inside, on your 3rd row passengers, they have USB outlets on each side with their own temperature control. With the 3rd row folded down, you have just about 40 cubic feet of storage. With all seats folded down, you have over 80 cubic feet, or 2,200 liters for us Canadians. Alrighty everybody, that does it for this quick tour of the 2024 Santa Fe XRT. Keep an eye on the YouTube playlist because we just got a ultimate calligraphy in, and I'll be doing a video on that this week. Stay tuned.